1, 2, 3, 4.
I just love these homeowners. Jennifer and Jason are so great and so nice, and they are desperate for our living room makeover. And the best part is they're not afraid of color.
We're about to meet David, the design star, for the first time.
We're so excited.
I think I see him.
I think I see him too.
I think David's here.
No way.
We are huge David fans. We watched the whole Design Star series.
A bluish purple.
He's noting the dead flowers.
Look at this. Here, let's act more casual.
David rings the doorbell, we open it up, and I can't help but to just hug him because it's David.
Hi, David.
Hugs from you too.
It's good to meet you.
Good.
How
Nice
you
to meet
doing?
you.
Likewise.
Great. So this is the space.
This is the space.
This is it.
Yeah.
This is really great. Nice space.
Nice.
And light.
Yeah.
But we need to work on some color, don't we?
He's just like, you know, he is on the show. Very friendly. He hasn't taken his shirt off yet.
What style were you looking for in this space?
An updated traditional.
Okay, I'm feeling that. That's
Yeah.
nice. Clean,
Moldings.
comfortable, little traditional. We have such pale walls.
I know.
Yeah.
Can we change that?
Yes.
I think we're gonna put a nice, really warm, beautiful tone on your walls. Maybe do a feature wall. I love to put a flat screen TV over the mantle.
Awesome.
Cool.
We trust David completely. We love color, and he's not afraid to use color.
I can already tell you guys are very colorful people.
Yeah.
And I'm anxious to look in the rest of your house for color inspirations because they're gonna tell me a lot about what colors to put in here.
We're big fans of color, although our main living space wouldn't indicate that. If you go through our house, you'll see oranges, yellows.
Love those pillows.
Thank
Nice use of the green in here.
You look through Jason's closet.
You are a colorful man, my friend.
Yeah.
He's not afraid of color at all.
Jason often gets teased that his wife must have purchased them for him.
You guys have shown me your space. I love it. Tons of personality in your other rooms. I'm really inspired. And by the time I come back, I'm gonna have a great design for you. Are you ready for it?
Awesome. I'm gonna wonder if he has enough information from us to you know, make magic in that room.
I'm gonna get out of here and get working.
Let's hug him.
Oh,
All right.
you guys are the best.
Thank you.
Today I'm going shopping with my color assistant Danielle. She paints, she builds, she can do anything. I really like to go shopping first because you can find some things that are really inspiring to design the whole room around. They have so much color going throughout their house, so I think we're gonna give them the only color they don't have, and
Which
that's
is?
red.
So we need some kid-friendly fabric.
Maybe some pillows or a really cool rug. This rug is really nice.
Ooh, that looks very child-friendly,
It
doesn't
does.
it? Nice and soft.
Very cushy and fun.
Well, let's see if it's the right price.
6 by 9, $5.50.
$5.50, that's not bad.
Let's get it.
Just like that?
Let's get it. It's red, it's got different shades of it, it's got a little brown in it, it's really cool, and it's very kid-friendly and happy. I love that.
I spy red pillows.
I do too. Let's see if they're kid-friendly.
Dry clean only.
These are nice. Machine washable.
Okay.
Let's get a few. These are fantastic.
Oh, look at those.
Look at that,
Very
kid-friendly.
cool. Ooh.
Right now, I am inspired to go and sketch. I need to put all this creativity that I have going on up here down on paper. We're gonna give these guys a great, comfortable, beautiful room, and they so deserve it. Since I won Design Star, my life has completely changed. This is how much my life has changed. I'm in the middle of doing a makeover for Jen and Jason, and I get a call from InStyle Magazine Home Edition to do a makeover for them. Huge! The space they wanted me to redo is an outdoor space. Really exciting. National magazine. Looks good, I think. How do you think it looks?
And it was great.
Then, as we're doing the shoot, a TV crew pulls up, and they're doing a behind the scenes as well. So I got two crews there, a still photographic crew, and then another production crew.
Are all your friends asking you for tips for their houses, or were they doing that before?
You know, my friends are really creative people, so no, they don't ask me. They like to do their own decorating. And then lo and behold, my crew comes up and they add to the drama. So we've got 3 crews there. Everyone's looking at me. Super good. Now that the install shoot is over, I can focus on Jennifer and Jason's living room. It's time for me to sketch. I think I'm gonna do a focal wall, and I think I see it red.
Really? Which wall are you going to do that on?
The focal wall is actually gonna be the wall right when you walk through the front door. Bam! Right in your face.
Ooh, that seems really dramatic.
If you're having trouble picking color for your room, a fail-safe way to go is picking ranges of browns and tans because they always go together, and punch it with a big bold color. It's a guaranteed way to make your room look great. Usually I always put my biggest piece of furniture, which is the couch. I usually place that onto the focal wall, but I'm not gonna.
You're breaking your own rules.
I am. I'm actually gonna put the sofa kind of floating in the middle of the room to separate between the dining room and the living room because there's no separation there.
And what are those, right? Those are pillars?
These are beams that we're gonna have built out of old recycled barn wood. Well, you know, they asked me to build some half walls, and I just thought we could do something a little better than that.
A little bit more interesting.
Yeah. Jennifer and Jason have this really great fireplace, and I really was thinking of making it the centerpiece of the room. So I was gonna put their TV on top of the mantle, change out that mantle that they had. And what do you think
A little
of?
small.
It's a little small, a little dinky, kind of want to make it big and chunky.
I love that idea.
Yeah, it'd be really pretty. You know, I'm really excited to get started on this.
It's going to be exciting to see, all the discussions that we've had with him on paper.
We know it'll be incredible.
It's the first day of the makeover, and David's about to arrive and show us the plans.
And all I can think about is each component of the makeover.
I am feeling excited, a bit anxious.
Because people are so deserving of a makeover. They're so cute. I'm excited to give them a beautiful room. Good morning!
We're building a tent village.
Wonderful day for a makeover. Ew. I have a huge crew.
A couple paint assistants, we have a carpenter, a seamstress.
Good to see you.
All right.
I see we did this.
We did.
Very nice.
We had a flat screen TV mounted on the fireplace.
Well, I'm here to show you the plan.
Which route is he going to go? What color is he going to use? And ultimately, we don't have a clue.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
My first impressions are awesome wood beam, wonderful red color.
Jen and I had a little private moment. We high-fived and hugged, so pretty cool.
You said you really have a problem with the whole separation, and it is kind of a problem. We're gonna hang these beautiful architectural grates up here so you can still see in.
Awesome.
All right.
Very
All right,
excited.
that's all we get to see.
All right, that's all you get to see. You guys get to go into a nice little room and be confined for a
Okay.
while. We'll come get you and feed you every once in a while.
Okay, so David says this is the plan, kind of. And by the way, you can't see these 2 other sides of the room. I like the surprise of it. I like that the reveal is truly going to be a reveal.
The final room is going to be so much better than the drawing, but when they come into the room for the first time, I hope their jaws drop. Tons to do today. I need a canvas build. We're building beams. We're actually going to separate the living room from the dining room. Shelves. Have that mantle to build. I bought a coffee table. We're going to cover it with beautiful pleather. You look scared. You're looking a little nervous.
A little bit worried.
I have my work cut out for me today.
Hi.
Welcome to day 1.
Right now I have Ian the carpenter building beams. And what this is going to do, it's going to separate the room and bring a lot of architectural interest to that side of the room. He's using this really great reclaimed old wood, but then we're going to beat it to death and really make it look like it's got a ton of character. It's old wood anyway, but we just want to give it a little more interest, like it's been around for hundreds of years.
That's good.
Okay, that's enough. I think we're good.
Poor baby.
So we're not competing with our red accent wall. We're painting all the other walls around the room in a neutral color. It also ties in really well with the furniture that they already have.
I love the color. This red is beautiful. It's a nice Spanish warm red. A great way to tone down a bold color like red or orange is to pair it with a neutral color. What this is going to do, it's going to not make it quite so scary. It's really going to tone it down. Hello, hello.
Hello.
I let you out of your box.
Perfect.
All right, so this is your one hint, the only hint that I'm going to give you that's going to go in the room.
Is this what you got for winning the show?
It's like a badge. So this is all I'm going to tell you. You know what? I'm not going to tell you where it goes. It might change and finish.
Very fun, very cool.
fun.
We like stars.
I'm sketching out a box that I'm going to build for David so that he can paint on it. He's going to make a piece of artwork for the homeowners that's going to sit on the red wall above the console.
Oh, you know what? It just doesn't get any more perfect than that. It just doesn't.
An easy way to design and pick colors for your room is to do it around your rug. This rug has really great color. It's got red, light red, dark red. It's got even a little purple and a little bit of gold. You can take any of those colors, put them throughout your room, and it's a sure way to make it look fantastic. Look at this red. It's beautiful, it's dark, but it's in the rug. This one, a completely different red, but look, they both look great and they're both going in the room.
There's this beam that goes across the room, and the idea is to make it look like wood to match all the other wood that's going on in the room.
All the wood in this room is going to be dark. If you look at this dark beam against the red and against the khaki, it looks really great. Now, if this were blonde wood, it just wouldn't go. It'd be kind of yucky. It would go with the red, but it wouldn't go with the khaki. So dark it is.
Furniture that we have is a rosewood, and it's really red, and it's got a little bit of orange in it. So I'm just incorporating those colors into the beam. And later on, I'm going to do a glaze on top of it to make it look more like the piece of furniture. I've taken 3 acrylic colors and just dragged them across that beam, and it gives a nice wood effect.
I want to do a piece of art for them, a nice painting that they can take away for this experience.
What are you painting?
I'm painting this really serene kind of a landscape, with a lot of greens and a few little pops of red. I really want to do almost a complement of what was on the wall because it's going the big red wall. Usually I paint really thickly, but at this time I want to really make it so that you can see all the wood grain because the wood grain's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. And that frame, whoever built that, spectacular.
Sounds like you. I know how to paint because it just kind of always has come really natural to me. When I was in art school, painting was the first class that I took. Now I'm going to let the background dry, and I'm going to come in and paint the details tomorrow.
Kick it! Kick it!
They have a very unnatural flow between the living room and the dining room, so I thought of a really great idea of building beams and hanging architectural elements in it. Still keeps it open, but definitely closes it off.
Perfection is hard to come by, and you guys are perfect.
I would have to agree.
Love that girl.
Let's see how this fits here.
We're gonna do a glaze on the wall. The glaze has this modeling effect. It really has a leather feel to it. It took us like 15 minutes to do a glaze that has a huge impact in the end.
We're in great shape. This is a great way to end the day. All right, you guys, we are done for the day.
Yay.
It's coming along beautifully.
We got so much done today.
We did, but we have
Awesome.
loads of work to do tomorrow. But I trust that you guys are leaving because you can't go in your kitchen and not see the living room.
We're leaving.
Oh, good.
He says, okay, I'm leaving. You guys can't peek. You can't peek.
I am just going to try to temper wanting to peek.
It's gonna be beautiful. I can't wait for you to
Wonderful.
see it. It's gonna be good. All right, we'll see you later. Goodbye.
It's the final day of the makeover. We are ecstatic. We can hardly wait to see it.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. How are you well last night?
How does it feel to be kicked out of your own house?
Vacation.
Oh, I love that. Good attitude.
We only got to see one little drawing for a very brief period of time, and so we really don't know what's going on in there.
Hey, did you get the pictures?
David knew I was a photographer, and he wanted me to photograph some pictures of the boys.
These are great. Kids are
That's the big
cute. We're gonna take some pictures of our kids, put them in some really cool frames, and really bring a little bit of them into that room.
We're just so excited to have the boys incorporated into the room, their smiling faces and crazy behavior.
Wow, the hair. Who has the red hair? Oh,
Everybody. Who has hair?
I want a little piece of them so they can really just, feel really good about it. All right, you guys, I am kicking you out. Get out. I don't want you here anymore. There's so many beautiful things coming in, and I don't want you even seeing one little peek.
These mirrors that David got are spectacular, but they're a little bit too reflective. We want them aged out a little bit. The reason why we're doing all this is to give the homeowners a place that they're gonna love.
Today I'm finishing up this painting that is going to go on the feature red wall. It's gonna be a really beautiful landscape, very serene and soft, bringing some complementary colors to really pop on that wall. If you're using a strong color on your valances, a great way to balance out your curtains is to add that strong color on the bottom. It's really gonna balance it out and not make it so top heavy.
The day is kind of dragging on. We're just hanging out and waiting for the phone call or to the thumbs up to come back.
It's hard to believe that America's top choice for the Design Star is here in our house. America chose and we won.
Bring your way over.
Let's figure out where their shelves are going. They're not gonna hang themselves.
Do a flippy do. It's good. Works. Let's just do it. You really want to make these people happy. You don't want to disappoint them in any way, and that is my main goal.
I spy red pillows.
I do too. Machine washable.
Okay.
Let's get a few. I really like to take the color of the focal wall and do it a little bit on the couch, on the wall, on the curtains. It really carries your eye throughout the room. This rug is really nice. An easy way to design and pick colors for your room is to do it around your rug. Guess what? Your room is done. It is showtime. Come back and see it.
I can't believe it. We're on the way over. We're about to see the new room.
We cannot wait. We are so excited to get in there.
Time has come. Are you excited?
My heart is pounding. Let's
Okay.
go, let's go.
I've taken everything they've told me and really tried to apply to this room, and I hope that they love it as much as I do. See your new room.
Oh
my God.
Wow! This is awesome!
I don't know where to start. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning.
I love it. It is great. It is a room now. It's not just like bleeding into the other rooms. Thank you so much.
This is awesome. Good, I'm glad you like it. So you like it then.
Thank you so much.
It's lively, it's vibrant, but it's warm and very cozy.
The painting, exactly the kind of themed painting that we've been looking for.
Look at the
It is
pictures. Look at
so
the pictures.
different.
Oh
those
my
are so
God.
cute.
Could have done it without Danielle.
They're both really, really nice people, and it's all from the heart, which is really important.
It's been a fun experience and we will miss them and we're sad to see them go. This is awesome.
The Design Star has been here.
Yay.
Wow.
It looks so great. We will live in it every day and love it.